I'm looking for higher prices right now. I'm still looking for higher prices. And this is the daily, weekly opening, but in between that and also, in between also you see this 15-minute fair value gap right here. See this 15-minute fair value gap. Also in between that. So, there's 15-minute fair value gap. So we want to see. I'm just looking for higher prices, so it's okay. Honestly, it's okay for personal. Even now goes take out some liquidity, sweep out some liquidity, but I'm not against either, flipping my bias, but I have to see the right things though. I'd prefer, like, for me to honestly flip my bias, I would want to see price come underneath the new weekly opening gap. Maybe also close underneath it. This is also the gap from yesterday's close to today's candle opening at 5 p.m. So this gap is right here. It's also the liquidity. So we just wait. So we should not hand to the first fair value gap. Now we're into the weekly opening gap. Just see the price reacts to it. Mhm. Now see if I close it right underneath it. We'll see if we create a fair value gap. So honestly, from this, I wouldn't be too against looking for shorts. Honestly, like I said, this is what I was looking for if I were to look for shorts. This right here. Nothing mentioned at all. I'm just looking to see how price wants to react. I don't want to get just into a short just yet. I just want to see how price reacts. I'm trying to just be patient a little bit. See if price wants to come here and reject, or maybe price sticks to it. You know what I mean? I wouldn't mind seeing another closing underneath here. Then I could get aligned with this. But I just want to just wait it out. I don't want to get in too soon, too quickly. I am still kind of favoring the long bias. Okay, I don't see this 1 minute close. Get a 1 minute close out into. Doesn't take off too far without me.
Order filled.
On the left is my demo account.
Order filled. Order filled.
Still looking for this liquidity to get taken out.
Order submitted.
Hopefully I can stay in the trade, while 9:45. So I think maybe by 9:45 we get like another push lower. I'll get stopped out before then. But I still like this liquidity getting taken out. I still like this level right here getting taken out. Minutes left. Okay. It's 9:45. We'll consider once if we get a drop here. At least until this lows over. I think it's pretty reasonable. Would have liked to see price dropped. I'm not gonna lie. I would have liked to see it drop by now instead of this back and forth. I'm not gonna lie. I did get a really bad entry. Like I tried maybe it was a bad entry. Could enter here. Would have been making decent profit by now. Yeah, I got a bad entry, but I still like where I am. I still think I could get a little something, in this liquidity level right here. Till we get a little bit more volatility at 9:45. That's all right. Trying to be perfect, man. Trying to see if we can just, grab a little something from the market and leave. If we can get it, it's okay if it gets stopped out. See, maybe we can get some acceleration. See if price wants to drop.
Order filled.
There we go. Now we see how far price wants to mount. I think I'm gonna take one more. I'm gonna take one
Order filled.
more. Good. I'll just let the rest run. I try to pass a demo account. It is what it is. Try to get, see the probably sold up here, but still got a good trade now. So we want to see, this is a daily liquidity level right here. Let's see if we can try to target that. Don't know what this is about here. Nothing about like about 10 handles this time. Let's see. I'm looking for this right here. Could take this out. I'll be done for today. See the small fair value gap and this one right here. Here, missed that. I want to see how weak price is. If we could just start to fall out of bed while hitting here. See how really weak price is. If not, it's okay. Already took my profit. Come back tomorrow. Okay, let's see if we could really fall out of bed right there. It hit it's a daily low targeting. Previous daily lows actually we're targeting yesterday's low. We get that. The news is coming like in 5 minutes or so. So hopefully, the same thing like I said about before, for 9:45, right? Hopefully, we can still stay in price before, I mean, before the news comes out. So at least if there's volatility, we can at least, and if it's in our direction, we could be a part of that volatility. Controlled volatility. I mean, yeah, control. At least, we gotta stop where we want it to be. That's 5 minutes. So we gap up a little bit. To the foot that. And I'm gonna low key extend this. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. If price. So, 7 6 7 6 4 4 6 4 put at 6 5. And depending on how fast we move and how aggressive we move, I do want to put my stop underneath this level right here, if we can get to that. Alright, we got a few more minutes till 10 o'clock moves. Make sure we still got 10 o'clock moves. And so far, we'll be saying this, and then the very next candle we blow back up. But so far, we're respecting the fair value gap. So far, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not, I wouldn't be shocked if we go and hit our stop. It's alright. Even if it does, alright. See, we got about like a minute 30 before the new release. So I'm hoping still stay. At least, even if I get stopped out, at least I just want to see this potential. If I could be a part of the move at 10. If there's a so, yeah, sometimes the 10 news will at least be a sleeper and be nothing to it. All right, we got basically a minute left. Minute left. I get me, man. Price might get me. Ah, 15. Let's see it. Let's see it. This is my bad. It's just started to close. Let's see how we can close underneath this fair value gap right here. And I want to see how well we can close underneath this liquidity. I want to see if we can reclose underneath it. Let's see with some aggressiveness. We spent a lot of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shit, oh god damn, it might be 11. 10 minutes in this fair value gap. 10 minutes. Price does not need any more time for this fair value gap, in my opinion. Like, I do want to see a quick acceleration down to the downside. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get stopped out. Yeah,
Stop filled.
it's good. It's just something like trying to pass this demo one trade. I mean, my trade worked ironically. It's just the guy Apex and they trailing stock, so they make their money. It is what it is. But I'm gonna come back for y'all, Apex. I'm gonna come back for y'all. But it was a good trade. Was it the cleanest? No. I entered down here easily. Probably should enter over here or even over here. I probably could have got like a few more handles, but it's a good trade overall. Hit the fair value gap, trying to target this daily low price. Couldn't quite get down there. That's all right. But I thought it was big for me.